Hello everyone, I am Dihana and now I am currently studying at the Apothecary International University. I am now pursuing about my bachelor degree. I am studying about the computer bachelor of computer science honors specialization in the data science. Now I would like to demonstrate my project. My project is hand gesture and voice control computer system. Uh, this system is implementing hand gesture movement and voice command to control the computer system. So in today's, we normally use keyboard, touchpad, or mouse to control the laptop or computer. For the keyboard, we normally use for the typing function. For the mouse and touchpad, we use the clicking function and also mouse pointer movement or some other process. So in my system, I will use all of these function like typing function, clicking function, mouse movement function. All of this, I will use all of these function with my hand and voice only. And so we will not use our traditional input devices, keyboard and mouse in my system. So, okay, let's start our system. Here you can see, and this one is my system, and it's a HP system. So this one is hand gesture and voice control computer system. And for this one, I use executive file. So here you can see the extension of the file format. The extension of the file format is with .exe. So this means that this one is the executive file format. So when we click on this one will set up our application. So So now our application is already open. Here I used our university logo, Abokhari International University. Here is the name of our system, and gesture and voice control computer system. For the background, I use our university photo for this because this one is on my final year project. Okay. For the button, I use only two button here. No, okay, here is the user manual guide. For the user manual guide, I guide the user how to use our system. So here the important part is mouse pointer movement well done by index finger only. So left click well done by index and middle finger together. So right click well done by index finger, middle finger, and ring finger. So the three finger together. So now here I have the download button and close button. For the download button, I can download the user manual guide. Okay, I will close this one. When we click start button, the main interface will set up. So for the main interface, we have two buttons. So the first one is for you can see my face here. So this one is the first button. So this one is used for hand detection. So here the system will detect my hand movement. Okay, I will use my index finger only for moving mouse pointer. Here you can see my mouse pointer is moving according to my index finger position. That's okay, like this. Okay, here I will click stop button. So it is already stopped like this. So here I will start again our system. Okay, and now the second part will be speech translation part. So here you can see on the screen, all the speech I told will appear on the screen like after the speech translation part. So from the speech translation part, we will use the system will use the command to process the function. So yeah, like I will say one command to the computer. Okay, open the Google Chrome. Now you can see our Google Chrome is already open. So for the second thing, we need to select which one we will use. So I will select this one and I will say click on this one. So it will click the selected button. Okay. Let me demonstrate again. Okay. Click on this one. Okay, like this. So we can turn off the we can delete this one. Okay, like this. Close the window. So the window will automatically close like this. So for the closing and opening the uh, what search engine, I will use the voice command, right? So like this. So now let me demonstrate again. So open the Google Chrome. You can see our Google Chrome is already open and same browser. We will select this one and click on this one. Okay, now we will give some commands. I open a new tab. Now here, the new one will appear here. So we can say also type here what is the best university in the world in 2025. Type here what, okay, so it is a little late, but it is stay okay. Okay, show me the result. Okay, it will show the related result. So I will use scrolling down. Okay, left side, stop scrolling. Okay, now I will click this one by using my fingers. Okay, now copy this one. Okay, open a new tab. Okay, paste the text here. Because this one, because like from the previous step, I copy the university one, I select the university one, and I copy this one. So in the new one, I paste the university what here, like this. So now we don't need to do anything here, so we'll close the window. Now this one is already closed. So like only this function this one does not mean only this function we can do only. So we can do also other function like open the PowerPoint. Okay, nice. This one already open. So close the window. Okay. I don't use any mouse or mm, any keyboard here. For closing and any other process, I use only my voice command and my hand gesture. One. Okay, right. Mm, yeah, you can see all the process, all the speech I told appear here. So from this speech, the system will decide which one is the command to the computer and it will process the function according to the commands. And because it is mixture of our normal speech and command to the computer, right? So the system need to decide the command correctly, like this. Also, we can do some other file operation function and any other process. I will show you. Okay, I will use right click here. Okay, I will go to the personalize. Okay, I will change the theme. Okay, the theme is already changed. Let me change it again. Okay, now close the window like this. Um, so for the first use, this one will be a little uh, for the first user, this one will be a little complex to use, and but we are targeting this one on the disability person and who cannot use laptop or computer in their daily life. So this one is only the first draft of our system. In the future, we will develop this one, and we will use only we will use also the eye gesture. So with the eye movement, the mouse pointer will be moving and where to other function with a voice command or something like this. I'm also trying for this one for the underside movement. So in the future, I hope I can complete this one for the eye gesture movement, also hand gesture, and also voice commands. So by combining these three, this system will be really useful for the disability person. I hope so. Also, I believe like this. So now I will add my demonstration here. I don't want to take too many time for the demonstration. It is already 12 minutes of demonstration. So start the program. Stop the program. So our system is already closed by using the stop the program command. So now I will end my demonstration here. That's for watching to the end. Uh, Happy night. Happy nice day.